Imagine stepping outside and feeling the world change around you. Each shift in the weather is a moment to connect, to notice, and to learn. Today, let's explore 10 essential English words about the weather. Listen carefully, repeat each word aloud, and discover how these words bring the world to life. Rain falls from the sky and makes everything wet. Example: I need an umbrella because it is raining. Sunday: the sun shines in the sky and makes the day bright. Example: the sun is warm on my face. Snow: snow covers the ground with white, cold flakes. Example: children play in the snow during winter. Wind: wind moves the air all around us. Example: the wind is strong today. Cloud: clouds float high in the sky, sometimes blocking the sun. Example: dark clouds mean rain is coming. Storm: a storm brings heavy rain, loud thunder, and strong winds. Example: we stay inside when there is a storm. Fog: fog makes everything look blurry and hard to see. Example: the fog is thick this morning. Hot: hot means the temperature is very warm. Example: it is hot in the summer. Cold: cold means the air is chilly. Example: wear a jacket because it is cold outside. Humid: humid describes air that feels heavy and full of moisture. Example: the air feels humid before it rains. Take your time to repeat each word aloud. Imagine these weather moments happening around you, and practice saying the example sentences. Every new word you learn opens a door to understanding and connection. With practice, soon you'll speak about the weather with ease and confidence.